Now I want to talk to you about how to unlock your Garmin GPS. Now if I click on the power button up here, our GPS automatically turns on. As you can see, there was no need to unlock this GPS, and the reason is because it automatically assumes that we are in a car because we have it mounted to a piece of glass, or it thinks that it's mounted to a dashboard, and it's very intuitive, and it knows that we're in a car. We don't need to have it locked because the locking mechanism on this Garmin, the Garmin Nuvi 2595 LMT model, is more for like pocket dialing, or so it doesn't go off in your briefcase if you tend to take it in somewhere and it starts talking to you in the middle of a meeting or something. So what happens is if you dismount it from the car mount, okay, and then you push the power button off. Now let's say you go into your meeting, yada yada yada. When you go to resume and you click the power button again, there we go. It's going to turn on locked because it knows now that you're in handheld mode, you're carrying it around. It's got a sensor in there. So now in order to unlock it, it's really simple. All you got to do is double tap the lock, and there you go, you're back in business. Now again, if we were to go ahead and mount this, turn the power off, it knows now that we're mounted in a vehicle. Click the power button again, see it's not going to be locked. It has to be off of the mount in order to lock. So if you're wanting to lock it, click the button a single time, it puts it in standby. Put it in your pocket, put it in the case, put it in your briefcase, and you'll know that if you accidentally turned it on, see, it's locked. It's not going to turn on. You have to manually push the button twice in order to get it to turn on. So at least you know that you're safe from it going off inside of a meeting or something like that.